How to enable live streaming on Uscreen. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can enable live streaming on Uscreen, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to log into your Uscreen account, just like I've done here, and then once you're logged in, to the left side of the screen, and then select content. So by selecting content, you'll be taken to your content page, and then some additional tabs, other content will be displayed as you can see here. So go ahead to select live streaming. So by selecting live streaming, you'll be brought to the live streaming page. So in order to activate live streaming, you have to be on the paid version of Uscreen. So take note of this. So so once you're on the paid version of Uscreen, you will then see the option for you to start new live event or add new. All right, you'll see the option on this same page. Okay, the reason you cannot see it in mine is because I have not upgraded to the paid version, but once you've upgraded, you'll see the option for you to add new, that is to create a new live stream event. Click on that, then give your live stream a title, description, and organize it by categories. Then select the start date and the time if you are going live in the future. Okay, but if you are going live immediately, you select start now, and then decide which purchase option you want available. That is it for active subscribers or for one-time purchase access? Then select any other settings you want to enable, such as live chat, donations, etc. And then once you're done, save your live event, and when the time comes, your live streaming will be activated. So this is basically how you can enable live streaming on Uscreen. Ensure that you are on the paid version of Uscreen and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. All right, and have a good day.